been more than 2 decades. ACCIL has been setting new milestones in the cold-rolled steel industry. Today, with an installed capacity of 1.5 MTPA at 3 locations in India and abroad, we are one of the fastest-growing steel producers in the country.
At ACIL Auto Steels Private Limited, we ensure customer satisfaction under all conditions. We try to understand customer requirements, we design the product accordingly, and provide a customized solution according to the facility the customer has got.
At ACCIL Auto Steel Private Limited, our automotive-grade steel plant with a capacity of 300,000 ton per annum today, ACCIL is one of the largest producer of special steels catering to the demands of automotive and white goods segment. We offer mild steel, D-double-D, E-double-D grade, interstitial free steel, interstitial free high-strength steel, high-strength low-alloy steel, bake hardening steel, state-of-the-art facilities, 6 high-cold rolling mill from Mitsubishi Hitachi with a speed max 1200 meters per minute. This mill can strip thickness output 0.13 to 3 mm with strip width 700 to 1380 mm. It is equipped with automatic gauge control and automatic shape control. Entire mill operation is monitored and controlled from centralized pulpit. Once the coil is rolled on cold 6HI rolling mill, it is transferred to electrolytic cleaning line through EOT cranes. Electrolytic cleaning line from SMS SMEC Group in ECL. The residual oils, iron fines present on the cold rolled strips are removed through electrochemical process. This equipment has been designed to handle strips thickness from 0.13 to 3 mm width from 700 to 1380 mm with a max speed of 200 meters per minute. After electrolytic cleaning, the coil is transferred to annealing furnace. Bell Annealing Furnace from Seco Warwick Allied Private Limited. In batch, annealing furnace steel coils are stacked vertically and annealed under 100% hydrogen atmosphere to produce uniform and homogeneous mechanical properties. To accomplish this, we have 8 bases with 4 furnaces with max stack height of 5,500 millimeters. Hydrogen gas is sourced from in-plant facility. After annealing, the coil is shifted to CCSU, that is, Coil Cooling and Storage Unit. Here coils are cooled under controlled humidity to ensure that there is no ingress of rust. The CCSU can support coil width up to 1,380 millimeters, thickness 0.13 to 3 mm. From CCSU, coil is transferred to 4 high skin pass mill. 4 high skin pass mill with tension leveler from Danieli Wien. The purpose of skin passing is to suppress the yield point, restore flatness and impart desired surface finish as per customer's requirement. Skin passing can be carried out under dry or wet condition. Mill is equipped with online tension leveling and electrostatic oiler. Skin pass elongation can be controlled between 0.3 to 6%. Mill operation is monitored and controlled from centralized pulpit. After skin passing, the coils are transferred to CR slitting line, where coil gets slit as per the client's requirement. CR slitting DHIM. The slitting lines support thickness from 0.13 to 3 mm and width 50 to 1380 mm with a max speed of 400 mpm and number of cuts max 15, ensuring zero staggering. Roll grinding and EDT machine, Waldridge. Shape and surface are critical factors for automotive and special steel industry, which requires tools that are machined and dressed accurately. We have opted for world's best machines from Woolrich, Germany. These are computer-controlled machines, which ensure ideal combination of dimensional accuracy and surface roughness.
Automotive sector happens to be the most demanding segment, and anything other than automotive that is as demanding is white goods segment. So we are able to cater to both these segments by design, not by fluke or otherwise. So our cold rolling mill, 6-high cold rolling mill from Hitachi, has got auto shape controller on both the sides, ETR as well as BTR. And tension leveling line is there along with the skin pass mill, is there integrated along with tension leveling line, which ensures that the final product is having tabletop flatness and uniformity in the mechanical property.
We offer customized product with closed dimensional tolerances, excellent surface and shapes, combined with uniform mechanical and metallurgical properties. Our products are used by automotive, clutches, seat belts, chains and sprockets, circlips, dowels, spring pins, etc. Agricultural implements such as rippers, threshers, cutters, and in the white goods industry. From last 2 decades, we are known for quality products, latest technology, and complete customer satisfaction. We are ACC Iron Auto Steel Private Limited.